Grade schemes are not required in order to be able to submit your grades from OAKS to Banner, but they make your grade submissions more seamless when it comes time. The purpose of a grade scheme in OAKS is to take the percentage that your students have earned in your class and convert that to a letter grade, which is what you need to send to Banner. You can only submit a capital letter, not a lowercase, numeric, or a percentage grade. Creating a grade scheme in OAKS only has to be done once per class. And if you've already created a grade scheme in the past, then you can go ahead and skip this section and go on to adding it into your grade book. Likewise, if you teach EDLS classes, HEHP 100 or 200 level courses, you can also skip this section, as those grade schemes have already been created on your behalf. We're going to begin in your OAKS class, and you're going to click on Grades from the upper navigation, and then Grades again to go into the grade book. From here, click on Schemes from the top navigation bar. Now from the More Actions drop-down button, choose Copy. Select either the undergraduate grade scheme template or the graduate grade scheme template, depending on the type of class you're teaching. Then click Copy. This is just to give you a starting point so that you don't have to build the entire grade scheme from scratch. On the next screen, click on the Copy of undergraduate or graduate grade scheme template, not the original. You want the copy of. And this is going to open that up so that we can start editing it. The first thing you want to do is change the name and the short name to something that's meaningful to you. Now scroll down and let's take a look at these ranges. You have start and assigned values for each grade. The start is the low end of each letter score. So in the example I gave earlier, the low end of an A is 92 and the high end is 100. Your assigned value is the high end of that letter grade. If your gradebook settings are set to use decimal places, then make sure to match that in your scheme. For example, if your settings in your gradebook are going to be using 2 decimal places, you need to be sure that when you do your grade spans, that it is 89.99 to 91, not 89 to 91, or you'll have rounding issues. Now this color column is optional, and it just allows you to color code your gradebook to make at-risk students easier to spot, but you don't need to do this. When you're finished, just click Save and Close. You should now see your grade scheme listed in the list of grade schemes and available for you to be able to use.